Hi, my name is Brian and this is a demo of the Stitch library in Crochet Charts. To access the Stitch library, go to Tools and Stitch Library. The two most common tasks that you probably want to do in the Stitch library are going to be change the symbol and edit the description. To change the symbol for the stitch, go ahead and click on the icon and select the new symbol from the drop-down. If the symbol that you want to use is a custom symbol, you can go to the Manage Icons and you can add new icons and navigate to wherever your icons are. And you can select as many or as few as you want and then add them to the list. And they'll be available for use in the entire Stitch library now. To edit a description, go to the description field and just click into it, and you can just change the text. And you can change any of the properties of the stitch, the name, the description, category, as you want to. If you want to add an entire set of stitches, you can do that as well by going to the Add Set button and providing a name for the new set. And it will bring you to a blank set, which you can then start by adding a new name for the first stitch and selecting an icon and setting a description and choosing a category if you want to. You can add more stitches to the set by going to the Add Stitch button and providing a name and going through the process again by adding an icon and a description. Once you've added all of the stitches that you want to the set, go ahead and check off the selected checkbox after each stitch, and you can go ahead and add to list, and that will add all of your stitches that you've selected to the master list so that you can use them in the software. Another thing you can do with the set is you can export it so that you can pass it along to friends and colleagues. So you can go ahead and click export, and you can select a stitch name, stitch set name, and you can go ahead and export the entire set so that you can pass it along as one file. If someone has sent you a stitch set, you can import that set and it will automatically lay everything out, and you can use all of those stitches by again selecting the checkbox and hitting the Add to List button. So if we go back to the default stitches, you'll see that these stitches have been added to the list. If you press the Reset Library button, the software will revert the default stitches back to the original state. It won't, however, remove any custom stitches that you've added to your own sets, so you don't have to worry about losing those custom stitches. For some additional information about the Stitch library, you can refer to the user manual, and if you have any other questions, you can always send me an email. I'm always happy to answer any questions you may have. So thank you for watching this video.